What is up, my fellow speedsters? This is Sonic4576 here, and sorry if my camera is crap, but a package just came in the mail today. And I'm pretty sure that I know what it is. So let's just get to opening, because I'm guessing this came early, because it said delivered today just on the thing. I asked my mom to check it, and it actually just said it's arrived. So, yeah, let's get into this. Yo. Yes! The GE Classic Sonic. Let's go! I didn't know it was gonna get here. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. I am not pausing this. Okay, there we go. Good enough. Oh, cold. Yes. Let's go! Finally! This thing is amazing! Has a tanger and everything. Pretty small though. It came in its bag? Wow. Hold on, how big is he as compared to my tails? They're equal. This thing is amazing. Like, my gosh, it came so early, and I feel like I'm dreaming. Like, oh my gosh. Look at this. It's so soft. I finally have it. The GE Classic Sonic. This is amazing. Really nice. I thought it was going to be bigger though. But hey, I don't care. Because when you actually hold him in your hand, you can see that this is the size. I've been wanting this plush for a long time, and I finally have it. Alright, let's go. And the date this is uploaded is the day it came. I literally just went outside my door. I am so happy right now. This thing is beautiful. That's all I can say. Thank you guys so much for watching. This guy is incredible. I am definitely using him someday. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And I will post, and this was my unboxing video of 2021. Also my first video of 2021. Also, my 70 subscriber special will be coming soon.